There are moments in life when you look around and everything you built seems gone. Not damaged, not shaken, gone. Your joy gone, your peace gone, your reputation questioned, your marriage wounded, your finances collapsed, your ministry under attack, and you're left standing in the smoke trying to figure out, how did I get here? It's in those moments you don't need a sermon, you need a word from God. This is where we find David in 1 Samuel 30. He returns to Ziklag expecting rest, expecting normalcy, expecting to see what he left behind. But instead of peace, he finds smoke. The city is burned, the homes are gone, their wives are gone, their children are gone. Everything gone. And the Bible gives us one of the most honest moments in Scripture. David and the people that were with him lifted up their voices and wept until they had no more power to weep. These are not weak men. These are warriors. These are men who have fought battles, faced enemies, bled in combat. But now they are broken. Because some battles don't attack your body, they attack your heart. Let me say something that needs to be said clearly. Strong people cry too. Faith does not eliminate emotion. Strength does not cancel sorrow. You can be anointed and still feel overwhelmed. You can be chosen and still feel crushed. But here is where the story shifts. Because while everyone is crying, David is about to do something different. The same men who cried with him now turn on him. The Bible says they spoke of stoning him. Imagine that. You're already grieving, and now you're blamed. You're already hurting, and now you're attacked. Have you ever been in a season where life hit you, and people hit you too? But here is the line that changes everything. But David encouraged himself in the Lord his God. Notice, it does not say someone came to encourage him. No prophet showed up, no friend lifted him, no music played. David had to reach for God by himself. There are seasons in life where God will not send you encouragement because He wants to develop it in you. There are moments where you have to preach to yourself, remind yourself, strengthen yourself. God, you brought me through before. God, you didn't fail me then. God, you won't abandon me now. And after David strengthens himself, he does something powerful. He inquires of the Lord. Not his emotions, not his friends, not his circumstances. He goes straight to God, and he asks one question: shall I pursue? When everything is lost, you need direction more than emotion. And God answers him, pursue, for you shall surely overtake them, and without fail recover all. Recover all. Not some, not pieces, not leftovers. All. This is where many people miss it. They think recovery is automatic, but recovery requires obedience. God gave the promise, but David still had to pursue. Some of you are waiting for restoration, but you're sitting in the ashes. God didn't say sit, He said pursue. David gets up, he gathers what strength remains, and he moves forward, not because he feels strong, but because God spoke. And along the way, something interesting happens. They find an Egyptian servant left behind, abandoned, overlooked. And that forgotten man becomes the key to recovering everything. Can I tell you something? God will often use what looks insignificant to lead you into restoration. Don't overlook what God places in your path. David finds the enemy, and the Bible says he recovered everything. His family restored, his possessions restored, his future restored. Nothing missing, nothing broken. But don't miss this. Recovery didn't start when he got his stuff back. Recovery started when he encouraged himself in the Lord. If you're waiting for things to change around you, could it be that God is waiting for something to change within you? You may feel like Ziklag right now, burned, empty, silent. But hear me clearly, God is not finished with your story. What was taken can be restored. What was broken can be healed. What was lost can be recovered. But it starts not with what you lost, but with who you turn to. So encourage yourself. Seek the Lord, follow His direction. And when you do, you won't just survive the fire. You will recover from it. Because the same God who allowed the fire is the same God who promised, you will recover all. If this message encouraged you, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with someone who needs hope today. And remember, faith has never been reasonable in the eyes of the world, but God has always honored obedience.